Hello, welcome back to my channel Lomzy Sews. In today's video I'll be sharing with you how I embellished this mesh illusion fabric. If that's what you want to learn, continue watching till the end to see how I did it. So this is the illusion fabric that I'll be embellishing. You can use white tulle depending on how you want your wedding gown to look. So this is the Bolero that I've made. I've already sewn it, but I left some allowance at the sleeve, so that's the side I want to embellish on, and this side is the front of the Bolero. So I'm just going to spread it and I'm going to place the embellishments that place. But before I do that, I'm going to use this pattern paper. You can use any paper that is available to you. This is a reused paper that I want. I almost threw it away, but I decided to be using them to be making my embellishments. So I'm going to place it like this, and I have my embellishments. There's no power supply, so I'm going to use the ones I have cut out from this lace fabric. I've already cut out some. You can use soldering iron to cut it out, or you can use your scissors depending on what is available to you. So but I have cut some of this. I have a video on how to use soldering iron to cut your embellishments. I'll share that with you in the description section, so you go ahead to learn how to use soldering iron to cut this. So I've cut out these pieces before, like I said. You can also use your scissors to cut it anyway. So I have these shapes. I want to make sure my shapes are in pairs, especially when you have some shapes, you have to make sure they're in pairs. Like this one is not complete, so I just want to cut out the same shape with that one so that I have the same thing, because we're going to be using them on the two sleeves, so they have to look identical. I'm sorry about the lighting. My lighting is very poor, right? Yeah, I can understand. So yeah, I have my pieces all complete. As you can see all of them. I have like 4 appliques that I want to put on one side, so I'm going to share it how they came, one for each sleeve, and I'm going to place them. So just this time around, be creative with whatever embellishments you have. I'm just going to place it and see which one works for me. But remember that you have sewing allowance by the side, so your focus will always be for the embellishment to be in the middle of the sleeve. So this side is where the allowance is, so I'm just targeting to place the embellishments in the middle of the sleeve. So you can place it straight like this, or you can just, I don't know but let me just work with what my eyes is telling me now. So I'm just going to place this like just place it in the middle like that. So next I'm going to use B7000. You can use 6000, anyone that works best for you. So I'm just going to open this. Can you see the nozzle that is there? I've removed it. That pointy nozzle that is there, I've removed it so that this would be, I would be able to press out the gum easily. Yeah, I have a way to control it, so don't worry now that it's opened more than the nozzle, right? So I'm going to press it. I'll just see how I'm going to, when I apply it, I'm going to clean the nozzle on the fabric. Can you see what I just did? So that way the gum will not, when you place it, most time the gum follows your hand. So just press it and press the glue and press the nozzle, so there's no gum following you. So just keep doing that all around. So now remember that the brown paper I added under is going to help for the gum not to stick wherever you want it to stick, wherever, if you're not using paper to do this. For the paper, so use any paper of your choice. I've not used another paper. I've been using brown paper, so I don't know, but I guess other paper will work better than nylon. That's plastic. Whenever I use the plastic paper to do this, that's the nylon, it's always sticky. It comes off with the fabric, and I don't like the look, so I started using paper, and this is game changer, guys. It's game changer if you want to be doing this. If you want to also do it on your mannequin, instead of you to use the leather, go ahead and use paper. You would thank me later.
So many times that I miss you. I know how to power when I want to. Now you got way bigger issues.
If you have been watching till this time, remember to give this video a thumbs up if you've learned something new. And if this is your first time coming across my channel, consider subscribing and turn on your notification bell icon. Now I'm done doing that part, so I'll go over to the second sleeve. So I made sure they aligned right side to the right to the wrong, so that I'll place it and they will still be identical. So I hope you understand what I mean. So you go ahead and place it like that. Guys, let me use this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers and all my returning watches. The ones that will watch, I will not subscribe. Please, this is the time for you to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, so I'm thanking all my subscribers. Thank you for your support and encouragement and your comments and your likes. I appreciate a whole lot. Thank you very much. Please remember to like this video and drop your comments where you're watching me from. If you don't have anything to write, just write where you're watching me from. Even if you don't need to write anything, just put on your logo, your country flag in the comment section. I will appreciate, at least that way I will know where you're watching me from. Yeah, so I'll continue to glue on these appliques. You can also use this method to put appliques on the whole of the Bolero top, but just make sure you've not finished making all of them. You would have to use this before you sew it.
2,000 years later.
Don't mind me, it was like 2,000 years later in my eyes because I was practically waiting for it, but like 1 hour later, that's what you have here. So guys, can you see the back? There is no glue at the back, so I'm just going to gently pull the gum out. So just gently pull it out. Be patient enough to do this patiently. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.